Sometimes you think of the style you want to create with your material, that is gele material, and nothing is coming. Same thing applicable to this head wrap. Nothing came, but I decided to just grab the material and let me just do something. So I grabbed the material, I shared it into 50-50, which is equal part, make some foundational pleats and cross at the back, directing the excess forward. So I picked one of the 50 at the front like this, then I shared it like 70-30 and make pleats with it down like this. Now I'm going to replace my hand here with elastic band. So that's my band and I'm replacing my hand already. Hope I explained this place. If you didn't get the explanation, just glue your eyes on the screen and watch what I just did. So after I have done that, I'm going to raise it like this to make the previous pleats I made, then place it on it like this, using my hands to adjust the other part, which is the shorter part. You see this one I pleated down, I'm going to direct it side on it, take the excess to the back and secure it at the back, either with pin or just the way I did mine. Now I'm going to go to this shorter part like this, direct it down like this, pick an office pin and use it to secure this little one you are looking like here, that is the edge. So I'm going to pin it down like that. So that's my pin, I'm securing it. Once I'm done with the securing, I'll try to adjust it so it will give me this shape. Then I'm coming back. Let me quickly work with the other 50 parts I have at the side. What will I do with it? I'll just stretch it and begin to roll it up, like twist everything down like this. I'm going to twist everything down like this, then place it on this. Now direct it backward and take it to the back. Find a way to secure it. Finally, I found a way to secure it by dipping it there, but later I got an office pin to secure it down. You see the back look, then I'll come to the back, adjust all the adjustables. I want this one to fall at the center a bit, then I use my hand to shift it to the center a bit, arranging all the pleats and the sides, and the final look is like this. I can't believe I created this out of what should I use? I don't know what to create, but this is nice. Thanks for watching, guys.